Alright, what up guys, Full Fishing here. We got the Mr. Tackle Box Pro box. And we're going to open that bad boy up with the Cricut saw. I wanted to open it up with the chainsaw, but my dad wouldn't let me. So, let's just open this bad boy up. Alright, it's getting really hard because it's crooked. I don't want to cut myself. Yeah, so this is a safe way. Alright guys, that's not working. Yeah, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna go in there either. Where about my knife? Yeah, I really do not feel like cutting myself. And alright. Alright, I couldn't find my pocket knife, so the good one started to get this blue knife. So we next to get the box open now. Alright, there we go. Alright. I'm kind of out of breath because I ran up the stairs. Alright, let's see what we get. So we get a little measuring board. Measure all the big toads we catch here. This is my first box I ordered. I got a welcome aboard little card. Let's read this. About your box, swag, line, learn about your baits. It's pretty much just describing what Mr. Tackle Box is. Alright. We got a little Mr. Tackle Box sticker. That'll be going on the computer. Alright, we're gonna first, we're not gonna look at any of those. We're gonna go over. So there's a little Mr. Tackle Box swag. This is what the box looks like. Swag, so I guess it's like a little magazine while fishing. Now first you got your card that tells you everything on it. Alright, so what's inside? So first we'll go over, we'll pick a bait out and we'll read what's on there. Alright, so Bait Lab. So Bait Lab, they got some in here. The Bait Lab Ultimate Strike Minnow. 5 inches. Kind of looks like a Kitech. Let's see how much that was. That was $6.20. Dang. Yeah, those are. It looks like it's in like a little pink, green pumpkin color. Just not from hooks though. All right, next thing we got is V&M. V&M J-Bug. So it's kind of like those Cabin Creek baits. So the J-Bug is $3.75, and they have videos for them. All right, next thing we got is a Yo Zuri 3DB. It's a wake bait. Alright, yeah, we got a wake bait. Alright. It's a kind of a green. Let's see. What this is? No, but this is $10. This is $10. It's kind of what it looks like. It's $10. Dang. Alright. Next, we got a Lunker Hut Popping Frog. This actually works really well where I live. Matt and I normally fish frogs here. It's pretty small though, so I'll probably have to throw this on some spinning tackle. And that is $8. Alright, so next thing we got is the Hunch Catchco bait. So the Hunch is a crankbait. It's kind of a sexy shad color. It's yeah, and that is $8.29. Oh, that went off the table. Alright, next thing we got is a Lunker Hunt popper. I normally never throw poppers. I'm more of a spook kind of guy, but this should work, yeah. And this popper is Kraken poppers, $4. It's pretty nice. Alright. And the last thing in the box is Mustad Megabyte 1/0 hooks. I'm guessing these can. I don't know if these go with anything in the box. There's 5 in there. They're Mustad. Pretty nice, and those are $5. Yeah. So that's everything in my box, and I'm pretty sure I won't use this stuff in this box for a video since it's January, but I'll definitely use some of these boxes whenever it gets into spring, summer, and fall dates. Alright, thank you guys for watching. This has been 4O Fishing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.